Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a very healthy and nutrient dense curry leaves uthappam. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make curry leaves uthappam, into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in about 5 sprigs of curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, a small piece of ginger, which I'm just roughly chopping and adding, 8 to 10 shallots, also known as cherry in Malayalam. Shallots are a rich source of iron and folate, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. A pinch of jeera, and I'm going to coarsely grind this. Okay, I have coarsely ground the small onions, curry leaves and ginger. This is 1.5 cups of leftover dosa batter. So into the dosa batter, I'm adding in the ground ingredients, coarsely ground ingredients. Curry leaves not only is a good source of iron and folate, it's also very good for your skin and your hair growth. Try to include curry leaves in your family's diet as much as possible if you have access to fresh curry leaves. Next, I'm adding in 1 green chilli and half of an onion chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. And with a spoon, just mix this really well. Now, instead of curry leaves, you can use any green leafy vegetables of your choice. The batter is slightly sour, so I'm adding in a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. So this is another way to use up leftover sour dosa batter and make it more nutrient dense. I've already heated my cast iron dosa tawa and I'm greasing it with gingerly oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 2 ladlefuls of the dosa batter. Drizzle in a little bit of Desi ghee. Make sure you drizzle on the sides as well. About half a teaspoon of Desi ghee would be ideal. And I'm going to cover and allow it to cook on low flame. 2 minutes, let's open the lid. You can see that the dosa has puffed up slightly. And now I'm going to flip it over. Once cooked, flip it over again. And my curry leaves uthappam is ready to serve. Let's make another dosa. So with this batter, you can make 3 uthappams. Pour in 2 ladlefuls. Drizzle in a little bit of Desi ghee on the sides and on the center as well. Now the reason why you need to use healthy fats like Desi ghee or wood pressed oils, it helps to assimilate fat soluble vitamins faster into your body. So vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D needs a healthy source of fat to be absorbed faster by your body. So try to include a healthy source of fat in your meals. Now cover and allow it to cook on low flame. Let's check on the uthappam and let's flip it over. Try to use a well seasoned cast iron tawa. A well seasoned cast iron has a non-sticky surface, hence your dosa will not stick to the tawa. Also, cast iron helps in better iron absorption. The best thing about uthappams are you don't need any side dish. You can enjoy it with pickle of your choice. Homemade pickles are naturally fermented and a good source of healthy gut-friendly probiotics. You can enjoy this healthy and nutrient-dense curry leaves uthappam with pickle or chutney of your choice. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.